Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to upload guys infinix on my phone video assistant guys. How can be off? Friends, you don't want to use guys your phone video assistant setting guys. So how to off it today friends, I will show you. I will tell you guys. So first of all guys, you will have to on guys your infinix on my phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, we will search a phone video assistant setting guys. So we will search your guys phone video assistant setting we will search here guys. Video assistant will setting here once you can off from here. You don't want to use. After of guys, you can see this Google TV, photos, display, YouTube, and guys other app setting will not work. You want to use guys, you can see improve the video views viewing. So fans you can, you will have to again on, then guys you can use it. So like that guys, we can off guys video assistant setting in infinix phone device. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to off video assistant in infinix phone device. So bye guys. Friends, you want more information about guys your infinix phone device, you can ask me comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye guys.